So quick review of the Maxx from Traxxas. It's their staple. It's one of their most popular cars. It's a very versatile basher. Jason has tried to destroy one on camera at a skate park and just couldn't make it happen. But yeah, big fan of this. It's very fun. I think if I had to choose between this and the XRT, for the price point, I would say this. The bigger they are, the harder they break. And this small unit is, like I said, it's pretty durable. It's fun. I've had it for about a month now. And that's about how I've been driving it, as you see. I'm not really a big, I don't want to cause a lot of damage for no reason, but otherwise it's a pretty fun ride. Seems like it stands up to what I put it against, and it's a very fun part of the arsenal. Very happy I got one. Contrary to popular belief, we are not millionaire influencers. And that's how you break shit.
Oh my god!
Alex came over, so it's a Maxx day. Do some bashing. Did you already break it? Flipped over. 3, 2, 1, go. Off to a good start here. It's the first first Maxx. We're firing the announcer because he already f***ed up the car. Oh, and that first driver's gone and yep, I'm already out of the race. Go. Oh man. Fudge. Good thing these are tough. All right, let's restart. 3, 2, 1, go. Uno, dos, tres, go. Oh, I didn't make it. That was good. Dang, I'm glad I caught that on camera. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, what the heck? For real? It does that sometimes. Comment below, let me know if you think your Maxx also takes a shit mid-race. Wow. Not gonna stop, are ya? I'm so sorry I ran over your body. Dude, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna catch ya. What the hell?
Did it again?
Yeah. What the hell, Traxxas? Weird. It's been doing that since I unboxed it brand new. Yeah, it's pretty stupid. I don't know, it works. My battery works in this Max Slash, it works in everything else. Works in the XRT. So comment, drop a link down below or some advice or tag Traxxas or something. It's like we just got stuff going on all over the place out here. Wish we had the red ramp out here. Yeah. Woo! God damn it, there it goes. Man.